Students, yesterday we have seen about the crystalline and amorphous substances, and actually we are going to study the solid state. So mainly we deal with the crystals. Got it? We need not to study more about amorphous substances. We will study about the crystals. Means whole chapter is based on the crystals. So in crystals, first we will study about the term lattice. So let's see what is the meaning of lattice. Lattice is what? It is the arrangement of particles or atoms or ions in a space. That is called the lattice. Okay. Again repeating, this is the arrangement in the space, arrangement of the particles. If taking atoms, or suppose talk about any species like sodium chloride, this will be act as a cation and anions. Okay, so here this arrangement is called lattice. Clear? No? So children, you can also draw lattice in this way, that you will draw all the dots in this way or in that way. Clear? So both the ways are correct, but why I am preferring this lattice? Because when I am drawing this, no, actually this will give you a perfect packing of the particles. Perfect packing of the particles means they get closely attacked, means they will give you the true crystals. Take the example, suppose in any function your mother tell you to arrange all the laddus in a box in the way that more sweets can come inside that box. So what you will do, first you will keep the laddus in this way. Clear? The first row you will make in this way, then in the second row, means above these, you will keep one, you will keep one, you will keep one, you will keep one. So we can say the arrangement is like this. So we prefer this arrangement because it will give you perfect packing, perfect packing of the particles. That's why we make them in this way. So these all are the constituent atom. Clear? And these constituent atoms are bonded together. Okay, ऐसे बने हैं, they join together. Clear? So if you join all the dots, you will have this cubic structure. Okay, this cubic structure is made. So this small cell or this small unit of a whole lattice is called a unit cell. So we have another term, you note down. What is unit cell? This is the unit of a big lattice. That is called a unit cell. Clear? So unit cell means here all the edges, it shows the presence of constituent atoms or ions. Okay, no? So these all are the constituent atoms and these are the bonds between them. If any ionic solid you will take, this is the ionic bond that is formed between the ions. So this is your unit cell, means the simple unit or smaller unit of a big lattice. Clear? ये lattice का एक smaller unit है. Got it? Now these all are the particles present in the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 edges of the unit cell. So this type of cell, this type of unit cell is called simple cubic cell. Okay, so what is simple cubic cell? In which the atoms or constituent atoms or particles are present at all the 8 edges. Clear? So according to the presence of atom, we divide or we classify unit cell into two main groups. One is simple cubic cell, that is called SCC, clear? And second is this is centered cubic system or centered cubic cell. This is very much clear to you. This is simple cubic cell. Now let's talk about centered cubic cell. So what does the mean of this centered cubic cell? Let me tell you that this is the simple cubic system in which the atoms are present at the edges. So along with the edges, some of the particles are either present at the face. Clear? What is the mean of face? I am telling you. Suppose here I am telling you a simple cubic system, no? Simple cube. Clear? It's not cube, but it shows the unit cell. So this layer is called face. This layer is called face. So either one cell is present at the face, or it is present inside the cube. If we take a cube, एक cube है, उसके अंदर आपने एक particle डाल दिया, this particle is present inside the cube. Either it is present there, clear, or that may be present at the any of the edge. I will tell you about edge later on. So central cubic systems are further divided into three more cells. This is called face centered cubic system, FCC, that is face centered cubic system. Second one, face centered. You understood, no? Faces means how many faces? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one is 6. So 6 faces are there. So this is face centered cubic system. Suppose one of the atom is present inside the cube, that is called body centered cubic system. Okay, or just we have taken any of the edges, कोई दो edge हम choose करते हैं, the particles are present on the edges, that is called end centered cubic system. So here today in this video we have studied about lattice. Lattice is the arrangement of the particles in a space. One unit of the lattice is called unit cell. Unit cell is simple cubic, just like a cube. Here 8 edges are present. Just we have seen the unit types of unit cell. This may be either simple cubic cell or central cubic cell. This central cubic cell, it is of how many types? 3. Face centered, body centered, and edge centered. Okay, it is also called end centered cubic system. So in next video we will study about the number of atoms in these unit cell. Thank you.